Hello and welcome to MyArtCube. My name is Natalie, and I'd like to take a moment to discuss some tips for staying inspired and tackling art block. Now let's go over some ways of shaking off a lack of motivation in our art practice. First off, studying from bygone artists in master studies can unlock new facets of your own evolving art style. Next, we can start a nature journal. Nature is a wondrous teacher and never fails to inspire. Plus, going outside and sketching is just good fun. If you are still suffering from art block, you could try a new type of art supply you never tried before. Remember, it doesn't have to be expensive, just something engaging that piques your curiosity. Use art prompts or color prompts to spark your creativity. You could write on a sheet of paper items, colors, places, food, random topics, and put them in a jar, and then choose from the jar whenever you are feeling uninspired and cannot decide on a subject to draw or paint. We could also employ timed art prompts to loosen up our style and eliminate overthinking. You could participate in an art challenge or make up a challenge of your own. You could even watch some art YouTube videos like this one. Subscribe to your favorite artists on Patreon or tutorial website, or look for free demonstrations and follow along for practice. And of course, make time for your art practice. You could start by allotting a certain amount of time to it every week at specific times on specific days. Making practicing art one of your items in a daily planner. You could also set goals for your art practice and be specific by using SMART goals. SMART stands for goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and with a certain time allowance. I hope you found these suggestions helpful. Please share in the comments section what you would do to stay inspired in your own art practice. As for the artwork you see me working on in the time-lapse video, it is a Van Gogh master study of his 1887 painting titled Vase with Lilacs, Daisies and Anemones. I'm completing the entire piece with Mont Marte Signiture oil pastels on 140-pound Canson watercolor paper. Please enjoy the rest of the video and like and subscribe if you'd like to show your support for the channel. I'll link an oil pastel playlist to the end of this video for your enjoyment. Bye for now, and please stay creative, my friends.